Hi boys and girls, welcome to art. Today we're going to be looking at different types of insects and creating a symmetrical insect design. So I thought I'd share this book with you called Have You Seen Bugs? It's by Joanne Oppenheim and it's illustrated by Ron Broda. Some cool fossils on this page. Have you seen bugs? Itty bitty bugs, small as specks of sand. Wide-winged bugs, bigger than your hand. Bugs with stripes or speckles or spots, shiny like metal or covered with dots. Iridescent bugs that shimmer in the light. Winking, blinking bugs that twinkle in the night. Dark as bark, green as grass. See-through bugs with wings like glass. Shaped like thorns or sticks or leaves. Burrowed in bubbles or clinging to trees. Hide-and-seek bugs. Can you see these? Watch out for these show-off bugs with colors bold and bright. Flashy, sashy, daring bugs. Such easy bugs to sight. Like warning signs, bold markings say, I'm poison, I smell, I sting. Stay away. Have you seen bugs and how they move? Long-legged bugs jumping with a bound, short-legged bugs running on the ground. Some are fast, they dart and leap, and some are slow, they crawl and creep. Bugs that flutter and scurry and dive, bugs that buzz around in a hive. Walking on the ceiling, crawling up a wall, some bugs hardly move at all. Especially when it's cold. Well, what about water bugs? Walking on the water bugs, swimming underwater bugs, skimming over water bugs. Oaring, soaring, whirling, twirling, striding, gliding. Have you seen these? Have you heard bugs? Bugs have no voices, but they can still sing, rubbing their legs and whirring their wings. Busy crickets in thickets wait for night to fall, and then they rub their legs together and chirp their mating call. You recognize the cicada? A bug has no ears on its little bug head, but some bugs hear through their legs instead, while others use antennae to taste and hear and smell, and tiny hairs that touch and tell and help them find their mates as well. Some bugs even use their feet to take a taste before they eat. Have you seen bugs and how they eat? Beetles have mouths they can bite and chew and snip, while others, like the butterfly, have mouths with straws that sip. Most bugs dine on plants, and some bugs dine on meat. Others take a nip of blood or sip some nectar sweet. Have you seen baby bugs? Inside a hive, nesting in hair, bugs hatch from eggs everywhere. Underwater, underground, in so many places, bug eggs are found. In the bark of the tree or wrapped up in leaves, baby bugs hatch from all of these. Baby bugs are small, but just for a little bit. Little bugs keep growing until their skins don't fit. But some bugs form a chrysalis or spin a fine cocoon. where abracadabra, they growed wide wings into a magical changing room. Have you seen working bugs? From flower to flower, bugs work as they go, carrying pollen that makes gardens grow. If it weren't for bugs, orchards would be bare. You couldn't have an apple or an orange or a pear. There wouldn't be corn or pumpkins or wheat. Without bugs, we'd have very little to eat. We need all of those pollinators. Burrowing, weaving, or building a nest, gathering, guarding, seldom at rest, working by day and working by night, spinning wondrous webs, or taking off in flight. Sleek as a needle, furry as a bear. So many kinds of bugs living everywhere. An army of ants, a flurry of fleas, a band of moths, a swarm of bees, billions of bugs. Have you seen these? About bugs. Some bugs are insects, others are not. Compare their bodies to find what you've got. An insect has 3 parts, a head and at one end, an abdomen in the rear, and a thorax in the middle, where wings and legs appear. An insect has 6 legs, no fewer and no more. Some have 2 wings, but many have 4. Some primitive insects have no wings at all. Like lice or fleas, they hop and crawl. The bugs in this book are all arthropods. They include insects, class Insecta, spiders, class Arachnida, and millipedes, class Diploda. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this book. We're going to be drawing some bugs and butterflies, so get ready.